So now let's see how we can utilize the notification and UI option inside of Qwen. So to go ahead and change that option out, you need to go around onto your profile and then go to settings. So once you go ahead and do that, over here on the left hand side, you can go around onto general, and here you can see that this is what you have. So right now you can see that the UI is this right here, so you can set it to light or dark right here, just like this. But apart from that, you can also go ahead and set the notification on or off as you like as well. So you can see that as I turn on the notification, it says Qwen AI wants you to actually show out the notification. So if I were to go ahead and click on allow, then Qwen will now be able to send me notifications. So for this, I have to turn this on right here. If I want to turn off the notification again, then I can simply go around onto the same location right here and then go ahead and simply turn it off. And that is how you can go ahead and change around the UI settings. You can also go ahead and change around the language, as you can see right here, just like this, according to how you want as well. So that is how you can work around with the UI and the notification settings inside of Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.